Passage number 32. Be ready? Comments. Mr. Chairman, I listened very carefully to the speech of the honorable member who initiated the debate. Whatever he has said about the unsatisfactory condition of the railways, it is difficult for me to refute. But at the same time, I should like to point out that we have only inherited it from the past. I am sure that the present minister and the present government will do their utmost to improve the condition which we have inherited from the past. Sir, in the first place, I should like to mention that it is a sad commentary on the working of the railways that in the last 2 or 3 years we have not been able to finalize a national transport policy, whether our national transport is the railways or the road transport. I would like to mention this particularly in view of the fact that 5,000 national permits have been issued. These national permits entitle the operators to run their trucks right from one end of the country to the other. It means direct and wasteful competition with the railways. Therefore, I think it is high time that the whole scheme was reviewed in the light of the experience gained during these 2 or 3 years. It should be reviewed whether this sort of wasteful competition is doing any good to the country or to the railways or to road transport itself, and whether it should be restricted or coordinated in a manner which would benefit both the systems of transport, namely the railways and the road transport. Now, as far as the operating efficiency of the railways is concerned, I am sorry to say that it has deteriorated very much. It has reached a point where if it is not arrested immediately, we will lose all confidence in our railways. Then, whatever little useful work the railways have been doing will go waste. Therefore, the operating efficiency of the railways has to be improved. The railway board and the zonal railways have to pay special attention to this matter. The railway board should be more effective in improving the operating efficiency and the earning capacity of the railways. Sir, it is well known that the backbone of the transport system is the maintenance of rolling stock. Unfortunately, I have no point out the maintenance of rolling stock of the railways has deteriorated over the years, both in the workshops as well as in the sick line. The maintenance work done is not of the required quality. That is the main reason for so many accidents and late running of trains. The railway authorities must take necessary steps to improve the quality of maintenance work and raise it to the required standards, both in the workshop as well as in the sick line. Then there is another very important problem which affects the entire system of railways. It relates to men, material and money. First, as far as the workers are concerned, I am sorry to say that due to ad hoc promotions made without trade tests, the quality of work done in the workshops and in the sick lines have fallen. Something has to be done in regard to this. This has been there particularly due to the abandonment of the system of taking apprentices. It has been noticed that the zonal workers are not of the requisite standard which is necessary to do maintenance work. Therefore, it is very necessary that the railway minister should examine whether the system of taking apprentices should be introduced again, how useful the system was, and what damage has been done to the railway system since it was discontinued. I am glad that the bonus question has been finally decided. Whatever the workers wanted has been given to them. But at the same time, I feel that in return something has to be given by the workers, and that should be in the shape of better work and better job. I am glad that this bonus system is being linked up with performance, and I am sure that this will give better results. But we have to watch for some time and see the results. Now, sir, a large number of trains have been cancelled during the last 2 years. This results in inconvenience to the passengers if they are passenger trains, and on the other hand results in blocking the movement of goods if they are goods train. As a result, the railways are also losing their freight charges and fares that they collect from the passengers. I do not understand why, when the railways have got more than 5 lakhs of wagons available with them, they are not in a position to move coal in time, particularly when it is for their own requirements. It is really a pity that they have to cancel the trains then, and they can give top priority to moving coal for their own requirements. I hope that the Honorable Minister may be able to throw some light on this matter to the members. Stop.